Flight cancellations are at an all-time high. We have experienced a few delays, but never an outright cancellation, until now. In this video, we are going to detail how we handled our flight cancellation, discuss rebooking versus refund options, and the domino effect of a flight cancellation. Hello, welcome, and for those returning to our channel, welcome back. We are Wayne Melissa Travel, a 50-plus couple sharing our adventures in budget travel. Before we get into the details on what happened after the cancellation, we thought there would be value in you knowing what led up to the cancellation. There are some keywords, phrases, and things that happened that you might find interesting and could help you out on your next flight.
We arrived at the gate for our trip. We were excited about our long weekend. It was a beautiful day. The weather was great on the drive up. We noticed as we sat and waited, it had started to rain. Then we heard thunder. Then there was lightning. Then there was an announcement saying that the flight was delayed. It would probably be an hour, hour and a half. We waited. About 2 hours later, they announced that we could board the airplane. We boarded. After everyone was on board, the captain came out and said we could not fuel the airplane because of the storm and the lightning, so we're going to have to wait for the truck to arrive and fuel the plane. Then we'll be off for our destination. The weather got worse. It started thunder and lightning again. He came out and announced that there would be a further delay. We couldn't fuel while the lightning was occurring. So he said that if we wanted to deplane and remain in at the gate area, we could do that, but not to stray away, because when it was time to go, we needed to get on the plane quick. They were running tight on their scheduled hours that they could work for the day. So several people decided to get off the plane, and my wife and I decided to stay on. It was probably an hour and a half to 2 hours later, they announced that we would be reboarding the plane, and we would be taking off for our destination. We noticed that people started coming on 1, 2 at a time. Seemed like it took forever to get folks back on the plane. We found out that what was occurring, the reason it took so long, is because they had to give them new seat assignments. And then they came through and did, after everyone was back on the plane, they came through and probably did 3 or 4 counts. We found out there's a lot of paperwork that has to be done when this happens, which answered the question for me: why do they not let people off an airplane when there are delays and make them sit on there forever? Because it did delay us, and what eventually happened, because of all the time, is the pilots and the crew timed out on the amount of time that they could fly.
Because the time it takes to recalculate and reassign seats is detrimental to a flight schedule. So we received the announcement that everyone dreads: our flight had been canceled. Tip number 1, please make sure you have downloaded the app for the airline that you are flying. I was receiving updates faster on my app than the crew was able to communicate to the passengers. Because of this, I was able to start the process of canceling accommodations, canceling my DoorDash order, and looking at alternative flights. Because of our destination, it wasn't advisable to pre-book our transportation, so that was one thing I did not have to concern myself with. Tip number 2, book with Hyatt. When you are a member of Hyatt, you are assigned a concierge who will help you navigate your cancellations, your bookings, and any special requests. My concierge made all the phone calls for us. We were staying at 2 separate properties. We were staying for a couple of days in one property and then relocating to a different part of the area and staying in an alternate property. and they made all these phone calls for us. I didn't have to make any phone calls. They took care of everything. Tip number 3, book with points whenever possible. We paid cash for our airfare, but we did book our accommodations with points, and they refunded 100% of the points with 0 penalties. Because these were high-end resorts, the cancellation policy was 7 days prior to arrival. But our concierge was able to contact the front desk, explain our situation, and they waived the penalty. We received all of our points back into our Hyatt account. When we were originally delayed, I placed a DoorDash order so that we would have drinks and snacks waiting for us at the hotel when we arrived later than expected. Once the cancellation was communicated, I simply went onto the DoorDash app and canceled our order. Breeze was very easy to work with for the rebooking and/or cancellation. They were offering to rebook the flight for the next day. That did not work with our schedule. If we could not leave that evening, then our trip could not be completed, so we decided to cancel. Not only did they refund our entire purchase back to the original form of payment, but they also gave us 15,000 Breeze points for us to use on a future flight. They also offered to reimburse those that stayed overnight the cost of their hotel, the cost of their food, and any other reasonable costs that were incurred because of the cancellation. All they requested was receipts and to fill out a refund request form. The only other charge that we had made that was not refunded was our prepaid airport parking. We were refunded for the 2 days we did not use the parking. At the time of this recording, we have not submitted a refund request. We hope you found this information helpful and that if you have a future cancellation, you are better equipped to handle it. We look forward to rebooking this trip in the near future, so stay tuned for our travel report on the Clearwater, Tampa, Florida area. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.